A custom AI tool is not a one-time build. It is a living asset that needs maintenance. When standards, rubrics, units, or classroom goals change, an old tool can drift out of alignment. Watch for maintenance triggers, semester changes, grade transitions, policy updates, new units, and your own growth as a better AI builder. The most common update is a context swap, replacing old source materials with current guides, standards, rubrics, or examples. Sometimes source files are fine, but the behavior needs tuning. Refine the logic, small edits to role, tone, format, or constraints. Use case drift happens when a tool gets pushed beyond its original purpose. Too many jobs weaken performance. Before patching forever, diagnose the path. Is the request out of scope? Does the tool need a minor revision, a resource refresh, or a clean rebuild? Schedule tool checkups, refresh the fuel, tighten the scope, and keep your AI assets aligned.